Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to automate Facebook lead forwarding to a specific email address. So let's suppose I'm running a travel agency and promoting this with the help of Facebook lead ads. Whenever a new lead is generated, I share this with my team members on Gmail. But now I want that whenever a new lead is generated, it is automatically sent to Gmail of my team members. I can automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between Facebook lead ad and Gmail. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is triggers and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Facebook lead ad where the new lead will be generated, and in my action application I will take Gmail where the mails will be sent to all my team members automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate Facebook lead forwarding to a specific email address. For this, we are going to create automation between Facebook lead ads and Gmail with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on create workflow, and now it's asking me for the workflow name. So let's name this as automate Facebook lead forwarding to a specific email address. And now we need to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created, and I want to select Facebook lead automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to automate Facebook lead forwarding to a specific email address, which means whenever a new lead will be generated, a mail will be sent to a specific email address that we have chosen, which means whenever a new lead will be generated, this complete workflow will get triggered. So our trigger application will be Facebook lead ad, and our trigger event will be new lead instant. Now click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save, but if you don't have one, click on add new connection, connect with Facebook lead ads, and authorization successful. So I have already logged into my Facebook account, and that's why it didn't ask me for any login or the permissions, and Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect. First is page, second is lead gen form. So to enter the page, let me take you to my Facebook account. This is my Facebook account, and this is the page that I have created by the name Voyage Ventures, and I want to promote all my advertisements with the help of this page. So let's go back to Pabbly, and from over here, select our page as Voyage Ventures. And over here, I need to enter the lead gen form. So to enter this, let me take you to Meta for Developers. So this is the app dashboard of Meta for Developers, and you can visit here just by typing developers.facebook.com. So over here you can see all the options. Here we need to click on more, click on tools. And if you scroll down, you will be able to find lead ads RTO debug tool. Click over here. And lead ads testing tool has appeared in front of us. So here we need to search for our page, which was Voyage Ventures. And over here you can see the form, which is contact form. So it has name, phone number, destination, number of participants, and email. So let's go back to Pabbly. And from over here, select our lead gen form as contact form and simply click on save and send test request. Over here, you can see waiting for the webhook response, and it's written here. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission. so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So as to get the response over here, we need to do a test submission. So let's go back to lead ads testing tool and from over here submit one form. But before submitting any form, you have to first delete the lead and refresh your page. So now select your page as Watch Ventures and click on Preview Form. So now over here, a form has appeared in front of us by the name contact form and we need to enter all these details. So let's enter some dummy details over here. Let's say my first name is new user. My phone number is, my destination is Goa. Number of participants are 7 and the email address is new31@pablitudes.com. Click on continue. Click on submit. And my form is submitted successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly and check whether it has captured this response or not. Over here we can see we have captured the response. The name was new user, phone number is this, destination was Goa, number of participants were 7 and the email address was new31@pablitudes.com. So Pabbly Connect is connected with Facebook lead ads and now we need to move to our next step, which is action step. So we want to forward all these leads to a specific Gmail. So our action application will be Gmail and our action event will be send email v1. Now click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. But if you don't have one, click on add new connection, connect with Gmail. Over here, I will choose my account from which I want to send all the mails. And now it's asking us for the permissions for which we need to click on allow. And authorization is successful. So Gmail is connected with Pabbly Connect and now we need to enter all these details. So first we need to enter the recipient email address. So over here we need to enter the email address or the email addresses on which we want to send all these Facebook leads. So over here I will enter the recipient email address as test@pablitudes.com. Now it's written over here, multiple email addresses can be entered as a comma separated list. Example test@example.com, then comma example@example.com. So over here, if you want to add more email addresses, you simply need to add comma and then you can add other email addresses. Here, let's say I want to add more email addresses. So I will add demo@pablitudes.com and user@pablitudes.com. Now I am leaving these CC and BCC fields blank, but if you want to enter, you can enter following the same process. Now over here, I want to enter the sender name as Pabbly and over here, I need to enter the email subject. So I will simply write here Facebook lead add lead and over here, I am not replying to anyone. So I will leave this field blank and select my email content type as plain. Now over here, I need to enter the email content. So I will simply write Dear team, a new lead has come through from a Facebook lead ads. Below are the details, name, phone, email, number of participants, destination. Please follow up with this lead as soon as possible. Let me know if you need any additional information or have any question. Thanks, regards. So over here, I do not want to send any attachment or file name. So I am not entering anything over here. Now I have entered all these details. And over here I have to map all these details, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received response from Facebook lead ad. So over here beside my name, I will simply click on Facebook lead ad and select the name as new user. I'll do the same for phone number and map my phone number as this one and the email address as new31@pablitudes.com and the number of participants as 7 and destination as Goa. So mapping is very important step so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. So after entering all these details with the help of mapping, I will simply click on Save and Send Test Request. And we can see we have received the response. We have successfully sent the email. Now let's go back to our Gmail and check whether we have received this response there or not. So here we have successfully received the mail. We can see all the email addresses over here: test@pablitudes.com, demo@pablitudes.com, and user@pablitudes.com. So the mail reads as, "Dear team, a new lead has come through from our Facebook lead ads. Below are the details: name, phone number, email, number of participants, destination. Please follow up with this lead as soon as possible. Let me know if you need any additional information or have any questions. Thanks, regards." So this is the same mail that we have drafted. Now, so as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's go back to our lead ads testing tool and submit another form. Over here, we have to first delete the lead and refresh the page. Now select our page as Voyage Ventures and the form was contact form. Now click on preview form. I will enter my name as latest user and the phone as, destination as Manali, number of participants are 3, and the email as latest@pablitudes.com. Click on submit. We have submitted the form. Now let's go back to our Gmail and check whether this new lead has been forwarded to all those 3 emails or not. So over here we can see we have captured this response also. The name was latest user, phone number was this, email address was latest@pablitudes.com, number of participants were 3, destination was Manali, and it has been sent to all these 3 email addresses. So to summarize this, we took Facebook lead ad as a trigger application where we made connection of Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. We submitted a form and received the response over here, after which we took Gmail as our action application where we entered the recipient email addresses. We drafted the email content and in this entered all these data with the help of mapping. Simply clicked on save and send test request and received the response in our Gmail. So we have successfully created automation between Facebook lead ads and Gmail with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.